Hello everyone, welcome to visit Shenzhen East Line. Today we are talking about one 4G fixed wireless phone. Let me take out other samples. This one we package in white box. Please open it. Handset and coin code, power adapter, batteries, another. Let's look at this one. Handset, coin code, battery, this is the EU standard power adapter. This is the 4G telephone. Support wall mountable. Dual SIM card, TF memory card. Let's put this battery here. Okay, put here. Cut here. This is a detachable antenna. This is a power on off. The power adapter can be customized according to your different country standard of power adapters. Look at here. This is the, let me check here. Contact is the setting. Let me check the language. Different languages: English, Chinese, France, Spanish, English. Contrast. Is the message inbox, outbox, drafts, this call lights, dialed, received, rejected, calendar, audio. Support if you have a TF memory card, you can put in the back here, and you can listen music back. It has Bluetooth hotspot. Hotspot means you can use Wi-Fi hotspot. Calendar is the FM.
是什么？是哪一个体育项目？现在就是生气啊。
There are lots of different functions about this phone. If you have any interest, you can contact us for more information. Thank you for watching this video.